Hello everybody, welcome back to 𝐓𝐡𝐢𝐬 Garage. Today we're going to be working on the frame of the Chevelle. We're going to be using all this product here from Eastwood, and just in this order. Once everything's taken off from the frame, we clean it down, prep it for painting. Before we start doing that, we're going to be putting pre-paint spray here. Clean it, obviously. Then we're going to put a rust encapsulator. Now this could be both painted or brushed on or sprayed on. That's what I meant to say. So you can use that in that way. Today I'm going to be using a roller and a brush more than anything. The tough to reach spots, you can use this. It comes with a little hose, so that way you can go into those areas that is hard to reach. And then finally we're going to be using the 𝐓𝐡𝐢𝐬 aerosol chassis black. Okay, so this will be the color of the chassis. And well, hopefully everything starts looking good now. And we got some shiny stuff on there. All right, well, we'll see you guys later. Stay tuned for more episodes. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way you guys can keep up with the project. Let's move forward. Alright guys, we're removing the front coils. Okay, it's important that you guys rent, or this is a method that I'm using. It was highly recommended to rent this product here. Okay, this serves as a good way in removing the front coil springs without running too much risk. This is a spring compressor. Okay, and I will show you how this will be applied to the spring, the coil. Okay, it kind of goes like that, and it'll compress it. So I highly recommend you guys rent a tool like this in order to save, more than anything, safety, practice safety. today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you guys get notified when new videos are posted. And also feel free to leave some comments. Thank you. Till next time. Stay tuned.